Action of nitric acid on metals. All metals with the exception of gold, platinum, rhodium, iridium and tantalum reacts with nitric acid. Nitric acid oxidizes the metals. Some metals such as aluminium, iron, cobalt, nickel and chromium are rendered passive in concentrated acid due to the formation of a layer of their oxides on the metal surface, which prevents the nitric acid from reacting with pure metal. With weak electropositive metals like tin, arsenic, antimony, tungsten and molybdenum, nitric acid gives metal oxides in which the metal is in the higher oxidation state and the acid is reduced to a lower oxidation state. The most common products evolved when nitric acid reacts with a metal are gases NO2, NO and N2O. Occasionally, N2, NH2OH and NH3 are also formed. First one, nitric acid plus 5 oxidation state, NO2 plus 4 oxidation state, HNO3 nitrous acid plus 3 oxidation state, NO nitric oxide plus 2 oxidation state, N2O nitrous oxide plus 1 oxidation state, N2 molecular nitrogen 0 oxidation state, NH3 ammonia minus 3 oxidation state. The reactions of metals with nitric acid are explained in 3 steps as follows. Step 1, primary reaction. Step 2, secondary reaction. Step 3, tertiary reaction. Primary reactions. Metal nitrate is formed with a release of nascent hydrogen. Metal plus HNO3 gives metal nitrate MnO3 plus nascent hydrogen. Secondary reaction. Nascent hydrogen produces the reduction products of nitric acid. HNO3 plus 2 nascent hydrogen gives HNO2 nitrous acid plus H2O. And also HNO3 plus 6H nascent hydrogen gives hydroxylamine NH2OH plus 2H2O. HNO3 plus 8 nascent hydrogen gives ammonia NH3 plus 3H2O. 2HNO3 plus 8 nascent hydrogen gives hyponitrous acid H2N2O2 plus 4H2O. These are the examples for secondary reactions. Tertiary reactions. The secondary products either decomposes or react to give final products. Case 1, decomposition of the secondary. Case 2, reactions of the secondary products. First one, case 1, decomposition of secondary. 3HNO2 nitrous acid gives HNO3 nitric acid plus 2NO nitric oxide plus H2O. And also 2HNO2 gives N2O2 dinitrogen dioxide, N2O3 dinitrogen trioxide plus H2O. Hyponitrous acid H2N2O2 gives N2O plus H2O. Then case 2, reactions of secondary products. HNO2 plus NH3 gives N2 plus 2H2O. HNO2 plus NH2OH gives N2O plus 2H2O. HNO2 plus HNO3 gives 2NO2 plus H2O. These are the examples for primary, secondary and tertiary reactions. The reaction steps involving different reduced products of nitric acid. When the nitric acid is reacted with metals. Example for this reaction: copper reacts with nitric acid in the following manner. 3Cu plus 6NO3 HNO3 gives 3Cu NO3 twice plus 6 Nassen hydrogen 6 Nassen hydrogen plus 3 HNO3 gives 3 HNO2 plus 3 H2O. Then tertiary reactions involving 3 HNO2 gives HNO3 plus 2NO plus H2O. Overall reaction is 3Cu plus 8 HNO3 gives 3Cu NO3 twice plus 2NO plus 4H2O. The concentrated acid has a tendency to form nitrogen dioxide. Cu4HNO3 gives CuNO3 twice plus 2NO2 plus 2H2O. Magnesium reacts with nitric acid in the following way. 4 Mg plus 8 HNO3 gives 4 Mg NO3 twice plus 8 Nassen hydrogen. HNO3 plus 8 Nassen hydrogen gives NH3 plus 3H2O. NH3 plus NHO3 nitric acid plus ammonia gives ammonium nitrate NH4NO thrice. Overall reaction is 4 Mg plus 10 HNO3 gives 4 Mg NO3 twice plus NH4NO3 plus 3H2O. If the acid is diluted, we get N2O. 4 Mg plus 10 HNO3 gives 4 Mg NO3 twice plus N2O plus 5H2O. Uses of nitric acid. Nitric acid is used as an oxidizing agent and in the preparation of aqua regia. Then the second use. Salts of nitric acids are used in photography, that is silver nitrate, and gunpowder for firearms, that is sodium nitrate NaNO3. That's all about the reaction of nitric acid on metals. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.